That means it's working?
Yeah.
How you know?
Cause it's working. That's who I was trying to control everything, y'all.
I'm hungry.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do a mukbang.
What you call it?
A mukbang.
A mukbang. So we got some Zaxby's beats to eat. I bought you these mushrooms. So they're my French fries. We got a lot to catch y'all up on this weekend. We got a little Cobb salad here.
These are good.
It's good. They say it's spicy. You didn't let me have one. This is the insane sauce.
What's this going with?
Well, see, here's the deal. Really and truthfully, you're supposed to get the chicken dipped in the sauce, but I didn't know what that was gonna be like. You know, if it was really gonna burn or stuff or not. So I just got it on the side, and you can just put this dressing on here. I was gonna get you some vinaigrette, but they was out of there too. I mean, they might as well just close the hell out because it was out of. Wait a minute.
What?
Uh-oh. What's that?
This goes for this.
Why didn't it get? Hold on. Oh, here we go. All right.
This is really good. It's seriously good. These mushrooms.
They said it was supposed to be spicy. I don't know about that. It's good though.
Yeah.
I wish they was whole instead of sliced. Anyway, hey y'all.
Hey.
So we got a lot to catch y'all up on. So we just gonna talk about this weekend. Had some surprises to uncover. Y'all probably already seen some of the videos already. So we'll start with Thursday. So prior to Thursday, Jay decided he wanted to have a birthday, surprise birthday party. Yesterday was his actual birthday, August 14th. So y'all don't be mad at me when I upload this video because you know he be pressuring me to upload these videos today the 15th.
Yeah. This is good. And it's spicy.
It's called insane.
Yeah, you should have dipped that in there. Like,
well, I mean, look how they cut the chicken. I was gonna dip it in there.
But anyway.
So he wanted to have this surprise party and had me all just kind of running through the wazoo, trying to get it together. I'm gonna put a little ranch on there too to cool this down because I'm.
Oh, that's gonna be real good.
Yep, they gonna have me all fine.
This ranch. Oh.
So we decided to plan this surprise party and really just make it fun. So family members came in town, friends came in town, just great. So it started on Thursday. So Thursday, we went to Gloria's.
Gloria's my favorite spot.
His favorite spot.
I don't know.
A Mexican restaurant, by the way, who have great happy hour of
margaritas.
One time?
Let me see. Chips. Chips. We went to Gloria's.
Don't put two in it.
You put two in there?
I didn't think it was that hot.
I put the whole thing in. But we went to Gloria's on Thursday, and did we get drunk? We got drunk.
We got two of them.
Oh, we got.
So listen, Gloria's Mexican restaurant, good margaritas, good happy hour. And let me tell you something. I don't know, they done changed the recipe or something. Because every time now I go to Gloria's, have 1.5 margaritas, I'm drunk. Gloria, we gonna talk about that. Because I don't know what you're doing in that kitchen these days, Gloria. But we need to figure that out because I be told I'm drunk these days. So that was good, that was cute. So Keita came in, Shay came in, Drake came in, Maurice came in, Raymond came in. Everybody came in. Then we had more people just coming in. We'll tell you about all that. So Thursday we went out, went to the bar, had a drink. Real good time. This is good, but that is hot. Why you let me put two on there? Sweet Jesus. Lord, so anyway, so we did that. Friday come. What we were? We went to the distillery. We went to Yellow Rose. It's hot, ain't it? I mean, I know. Y'all, if you go to Zaxby's,
That shit is spicy as hell. It's spicier than those noodles.
I'm about to start sweating.
That's burning my nose.
But
I like spice.
so Friday, we hung out. I had to work, of course. But you know, thank you Jesus for a job. So I had to work. Then we went to the distillery, Yellow Rose Distillery. That was fun. The lady was so cute, so educational. It was a whiskey distillery. That was strong as a shit. Then
That was fun. We enjoyed that.
then we went to the parents' house. So mama, daddy, uncle, and granny was there waiting on us to get drunk. They had got us all kind of liquor, some appetizers. They had set up the pool table on the movie run. This real nice. It had some music on, playing cards. Everybody was just socializing. So, friends from Chicago, you know, I had kind of getting a pre-warning. Look, don't act funny. Come in here, be yourself.
Make sure y'all eat.
Make sure you eat, be crazy, drink up. We had the hookah going, child. And Granny hit the hookah. I'm gonna beat her butt. But we had a good time. Everybody was so drunk.
Granny was tipsy.
No, she skipped over tipsy. She went straight to drunk.
She was feeling herself.
For a little too much. So, did that, came home, and that's what we need to get started ready for the party. Didn't go to sleep till 3:30 a.m. Woke up at 6:30 a.m.
He woke up at 6. I woke up at 8.
to grill this food. So I cooked smoked chicken, jerk chicken, barbecue chicken, potato salad, baked beans, jambalaya, ribs, brisket. Just too much.
It was good though.
We had the margarita machine. It was everything. You liked the food? It was good.
The people did too.
All this for Saturday. So Saturday come. Food ready, outside ready, margarita machine set up, patio set up, furniture outside, inside set up. We set to go. Birthday party, here we go. I need a little more. That's got me on fire.
Let me get you some water.
Thank you.
So,
I burnt myself.
Friday. Let me see.
It's so weird.
Or Saturday, I went back Friday. But Saturday, yeah, everything was set up. People started coming. We had a very good time. I think I was outside or what was I? In the room or somewhere. All I heard was, everybody come to the living room, everybody come to the living room. So I'm like, what is this? What is going on? So I come out and I see everybody gathered and they have this chair in the middle of the floor. So I'm like, oh God. I see Antoine with the laptop and he hooks it up to the TV and was like, oh, we're about to see if this works. I'm not sure what is going on at this point. But yeah, they started playing these videos with all of my family from Chicago, all my friends from Chicago. And when I tell y'all, it was amazing. I'm sure most of you already seen it on YouTube because I just had to post it and share it. But it took me in the very last part where he had my grandmother on there. And like, some of y'all know how I feel about my grandmother. Like, that is my heart. Like, seriously, that is my heart. But, I don't want to get choked up, but
So
it was very emotional.
So all week, shout out to Keita. She been sending me videos.
That's my twin. Shout out to my twin. When I tell you she come through, she bought me a heat press.
Wait, we gotta get that.
Oh. Okay.
So she been seeing all these videos all week. I'm sneaking, trying to hide, edit videos, lying, going outside, record myself. He going to the barber, I'm recording myself. Just really trying to be, you know, make it a surprise because he knew about the party. I mean, it was his idea. So I'm doing all this. So I'm just preparing myself for this video. Got it all edited. Boom. Set to go. So he full on tears, crying. You know, one of them. Crying. And I thought it was the cutest thing. But I'm trying to hold myself together because I had already cried when I seen the video. I mean, I made it. So that was cute. Check that out. It's on there. Birthday wishes. I think it was saying.
I think it was my birthday wishes, yeah.
This is so hot.
It is.
But it's good though. Y'all gotta try this. This don't put too insane. I don't know what the hell. You put both of them in there? I don't know what I was thinking.
I love hot, but it's worth it.
It was good though. So I mean myself, they gotta start making this little nice little speech. Thank y'all for coming. Have a drink. All drinks on me, gas tank on E. Good time. Get here in the microphone. My ears open. So now I get here in the microphone. I'm like, what you gotta say? You know, be nice to the people. Say something. He like, oh, this video. It's got me so choked up.
You did.
It was sweet. So he was like, and I just want to thank everybody for coming out. And then Keita pushing this damn box. So let me tell you about this box. He been learning. So what day you went to get the haircut? Was that on a Friday or something?
Thursday. Wait, this last
It had to be Friday.
Friday.
Because
Friday.
It was Friday. So he gone in a box come. Doorbell ring. Amazon. My name on it. I'm like, I ain't order nothing, especially nothing this big. So I text him, I'm like, did you order something? Oh yeah, I did. You want me to open it? Yeah, open it up for me. I'm all on my Amazon app checking. I'm like, I don't remember seeing nothing. I open it and I see it's Keita gift. Y'all, now I got to lie again. So now I take the big box because it's two boxes in one box. Who does all that? So I'm hide one of the boxes on the side of the house, put the water box in the closet. So now we Saturday, and she keep kicking this box. Telling myself, take this box. So I'm like, you know what? Let me get this box. Come on. Take this damn box while you're in this speech. And y'all, that's when he hit me with. I want you to take, it's like the words is gonna stick. No, I want you to take this box. And he gets out on one knee. And I think I blanked out. Flowers went to popping in my face. That was all behind the TV. And he proposed.
How'd that make you feel though?
Instantly excited, shocked, anxious, hot, just all of the above, because it's for all my family members, all his friends and family that was here, and everybody just like, and my auntie in the corner going, Hercules, 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 and my mama crying, and I'm just like, oh my, I was so excited. So of course I said yes. I took off the promise ring that he gave me. So I had a ring on before. That was a promise ring that said, look, we in this together, we committed, we gonna do this. And I'm like, yeah, whatever, let's do it. And then now it's like full on engagement. And I'm like, hells yeah. So now we engaged.
Still trying to figure it out.
I cried so hard that later that night as I come down from all that high. Do y'all know this man had me playing in my own damn party? Leave that in the comments.
That's the best part. Best parties are when you plan it yourself, how you want it to go.
I'm cooking.
Cooking for all of, our.
So don't try asking for an engagement party. That was it. I had an engagement party and a
So
brunch,
it was a surprise engagement party.
which surprised the hell out of me, and clearly everybody else that was there. It was the sweetest thing ever, for real. I will say this. I was so excited when it happened. I have been claiming this man ever since we got together. And I'm just happy.
Cheers to that.
I love him or whatever.
Or whatever.
Or whatever. No. I'm so excited that everybody cried. It was just the cutest, sweetest thing. We partied till we some party no more that night. 3 o'clock again, I went to sleep. Got up, cooked brunch the next morning, and we had a brunch party. But how does it make you feel?
I'm excited.
I don't think I like the way that smells.
What?
That
What is this?
zesty dip.
Oh, I'm excited. I've always wanted to, build a family, and with that family having being married and the kids but yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait until the actual wedding day,
Which we have not said. We're going to X. When you said it. But that brings us to my next point. So, I had to download Facebook again. I had Instagram. I had Snapchat and all this stuff. Because y'all know I've been gone since April. I went back and checked. Good little detox. But I downloaded again because all my new family was hitting me up. So I had to be respectful. Talk to my new family, which was great. So I changed my profile to engage and posted a video. Y'all gotta go check out the video if you haven't already. So, all of a sudden, I'm getting text messages, phone calls, emails, and whatever form of communication that you're trying to reach out to me about. Trying to be in my business. Let me tell y'all something. And I say this all the time, and you done heard me say 1,000 times. There are people that clap for you, and there are people that applaud for you. Let me tell you the difference. Those that clap do it when nobody tells them to. It's like the mama at the graduation. When the people say, please hold your applauses. But as soon as that baby walk across stage, what they do? That's my baby! And then you got those that applaud when the sign come on. Applause. Like on Love Is. That's my new little show. We want to talk about that too? You have those.
But
those of you that are applauding,
we appreciate you. We love your support. Wait. You said applauding.
I don't like those that applaud.
Yeah, we don't like those people.
Because here's
type
that.
people.
I got some people that I'm about to remove in this next chapter. That is suddenly just like, oh, I'm sorry, this, that, and the third. I got this going on. When don't you ever have that going on? Or why can't you just never show up for me? But you always want these Ayanla secrets. I got it. Keep applauding. I need those that clap for me. Y'all, my best friend cried his little eyes out. Now that was cute.
Shout out to Aaron.
Aaron, no, he did some crying. Let me tell you something.
Aaron, now that is a true friend. Aaron, he he really genuine, like, love our relationship.
That baby cried. He told my son he didn't even have a chance to put his phone out because he was crying so much.
I saw him in the kitchen over here, just face red as ever.
Excuse me.
His face was red as ever. I love you, Aaron. I was about to call him Larry.
Hey, Larry. We had a good time. We had a bunch of people around us that clapped for us. And I will say, that's what made it more special than anything. Mm-hmm. It was perfect because you invited the right people. We had the right people in our home. And I'm just like, if you wasn't here for your applauding reasons, you'll catch that later on. I understand. Just know. You'll see it the way you saw it just now. And that's not being mean. I'm just saying this. It's time for us to circle ourselves around people that genuinely care for us and that see us happy. I don't want to circle myself around people that says, I want that. Mm-hmm. Don't envy us. Like, don't do that, because when you do that, it can give off a negative vibe. Mm-hmm. Applauding. Clapping people are like, this is so beautiful. This is so happy. Like, this is an amazing thing to do. And we had it, and I honestly felt that. And when I laid down that night, I couldn't help but cry, because it made me realize that everybody that was invited into our home respect our home. They respect us. It wasn't a situation like this man is getting out on his knee in front of all of my family, men, women, everybody. And literally, I had to stand here and everybody gave me a hug. It was like, congratulations, oh my God. My auntie was like, look, I need a credit card because we need to start planning today.
When we doing this?
Like right now. So, all I'm saying is this, take it for what it is, but just understand that sometimes people around you just be around you because it makes them feel okay, or they can just push their negative energy off because you feeling so great that it make them feel great for the moment. I'm tired of that. But anyway, I'm engaged. I'm about to have the best in-laws. It's about to be so funny.
I already have the best in-laws. Like,
well, I can say that too.
My mother,
officially. My
mother-in-law, my father-in-law, my
why I'm blowing this?
Granny.
You think it's so cool inside?
No, it's not. But yeah, granny, uncle, aunt, I mean, like, everybody. They like those are my people. Like, really. Let them down. Those my people.
They clapping.
I think they like me better than him. I said this in another video, but I'm starting to think that now.
It's because I'm mean. You think I'm mean? I'm just orderly.
I'm really starting to think that now.
I'm not mean. I just take care of people very orderly. You ain't gonna find many people like that. I'm just saying. Anyway, we get married. We really get married though.
So let's
take that in for a minute.
How many?
For real though.
Cause you keep saying that I'm gonna.
Baby.
What? What you say? What?
Don't worry about it. I'll say it as this video with. Go ahead.
What?
Go ahead.
Say what you gonna say. If you gonna say it in front of, you can say it in front of the people.
You fully dressed?
Okay, so I don't need to be fully dressed. You dress for the both of us. Hello? Hello? I'll let y'all know what that is later. Am I fully dressed? You dress for the both of us. But anyway, as I'll say, that's a whole lot. So, what was I about to say before you rudely interrupted?
I didn't rudely interrupt you. It's just us.
and them.
Y'all watch Love Is? I'm so in love with that show. But last night.
Nah, I think last night was a good episode. It was, you know, it was good.
Your sin had almost pissed me off real quick.
Why?
Cause
He doing too much?
He don't.
No.
You should need to knock that shit down a bit.
I think he really genuinely love her and he want.
I'm not doubting that.
Whatever I feel like he's giving. He feel like he's giving 90, 91% or whatever.
Let me tell you what they are.
And she's not giving that much.
I'm not doubting that. My problem with him is he need to lower his ego just to like he too confident, too manly, too something. You ain't have a name right at the door and just calm the fuck down.
Right. Okay. So it's frustration.
Yeah.
It's a lot of frustration.
His pride taking over him.
Well, that comes from because he was molested, and it's like a lot of anger build up.
See, and that fucked me up at the end. When I saw that, I was like, oh shit, now I got to go sleep. See, I felt sorry for him all of a sudden at the end. But
that's where they come from.
In the middle, I was about to get
But to his point, it's like I get where he coming from. Like, if I should not have to, if you invited me somewhere, like, make sure my damn name is on the list. Make sure you're not gonna have.
Change your name.
Make sure you're not gonna have Make sure you're not gonna have a dumb ass person at the damn door that don't know how to read, or somebody that's gonna type up the name wrong or something like that. Or even if the name is typed wrong, make sense of the shit to say, oh yeah, I'm missing one S. Yesir, Yessir. I'm missing one S. What the?
See, you didn't even catch this. His driver's license didn't even match his new name.
But he still pulled out. He pulled out or turned it around or something like that.
Where did he do that at?
I don't know. But he turned it around so that it would have, or they could see his real name or whatever.
Anyway, I like the show. I love it. I love that.
So why you just gonna cut me off like that? Cause that, I mean, like, y'all. Ever since he got engaged. No, but I think, listen, let's have a watch party.
A watch party?
Yeah, the season finale.
But we ain't have no more parties.
No, it's just, a couple of people. Seriously. A watch party for...
He said a couple of people. It would be a couple of people at his birthday party. It was over 200 people.
It wasn't no 200 people.
Okay, 199. I called him at the door.
That's a lie.
I had a tickle. They came in, I recounted it. Listen. What if we just ask somebody, oh, they have a watch party?
Because they watch parties not gonna be like ours,
What's gonna be the difference? The show come on, why don't you shut up? That's the rules.
Because then we gotta set up and talk about it. Because that's a recording.
What's a recording?
After the show. But anyway.
Woo! I'm full.
This was good. Zaxby's don't owe me nothing. Yes, they do.
But the bathroom, because their shit's so hot. Well, anyway, we're engaged now. What's your takeaway? Here's a couple of takeaways. Like, subscribe, share, comment, repost, go look at that other video. Make our proposal video go viral.
Yes, do that.
How do you do that? Like, just share it 1,000 times over.
Go post it to your Facebook pages, your Instagram pages, whatever have you. Have your friends look at it, your mama, your daddy, sit down, kiki ha ha with them. Do whatever you need to do.
Make sure they clap.
I was just about to say that.
And don't applaud.
I was just about to say, make sure you clap after you watch it and not applaud. But until next time.
So, oh wait. We about to be doing vlogs because we got to get this wedding plan.
We have to do
We're planning a wedding. We about to, and now that I'm back on Instagram, I think all my posts now is about to be gym motivational posts because I gotta get it together.
We both know.
We got fat.
Sharice, Jolanda, we may be coming to see y'all at the gym.
I'm gonna throw up if I go with them.
Personal trainer.
I gotta lose 10 pounds if I go with them. They just got too much to go. So special shout outs to a couple people. Mama Sophia, Daddy Sid, Granny Savannah, Aaron and the crew for coming. Thank y'all so much. Keita, Shay, Raymond, Andrea, Maurice. I feel like I'm in a rap song.
Shout out
everybody that came
just
out.
say all the Chicago folks, all of our Dallas folks,
And
our Houston folks, and New Orleans folks that came to the party. So everybody that came to the party. We appreciate you.
We
love you dearly. And we can't wait until the next time we're all together again.
And next time on the Ferguson Battle, we will be planning this wedding. Which I think the colors should be, although we know, but we would like your opinion.
Comment.
What do you think it should be? Inside, outside, spring or winter? It will not be fall or summer. It's too hot for that here in Houston. But let us know. Ever since we got engaged, he won't kiss me, y'all.
He beats me.
Bye.